Hi, I'm Tim Carter, Master Plumber. I think you're probably here because you need a basement bathroom riser diagram. Guess what? I'm installing a basement bathroom now. I'm going to show you what you need to draw. Come here, look at this. Right now, I'm standing where the shower is going to be. And it's going to be a little bit of an elevated shower, and I'll explain that in a little bit. But here is the P-trap for the shower. And then here, look at this. You know what this crazy thing is? It's a wall-hung toilet carriage. Yeah, like a wall-hung toilet that you might see in a commercial building, an airport, or restaurant. And I'll explain why we have to do that in a moment too. And then right here, this is going to be the vanity. All right, so here's the vanity drain pipe. Come with me and I'll show you what's really going on. You're not going to believe it. I'm back here behind the bathroom, and look at all of this plumbing. You need to have a really big understanding of what's going on. This particular 3-inch pipe, this drains all of the other 2 bathrooms, the kitchen sink, everything in the house. And it comes down and it goes out through the wall into the sewer. And notice, most of the times this pipe is buried beneath the concrete slab, but not here. So here we have to have a backwater valve so water can be blocked from flooding into the house. Here you've got some complex Ys. Here is a 4 by 2-inch Y that goes over and it collects the shower drain. Here's a 2 by 1.5 Y. This goes around and collects another sink. Here is a 4 by 1.5 Y that takes care of the vanity in the bathroom. Here is the pipe that connects to the toilet, this big 4-inch pipe. And then these 3 pipes here, this one, this one, this one, these are all the vent pipes for the 3 fixtures in the bathroom. All right, very complex. They get collected here, and it goes around the corner and goes way down, and it goes up and eventually connects through the roof. So you can see how complex it is. You need to have a complete understanding of the Uniform Plumbing Code. You need to understand the different pipe sizes. You need to understand how to vent the things. It's not easy is what I'm trying to say. If you need help, if you need a basement bathroom riser diagram drawn, I can do it for you. Look down in the video description. Get in touch with me. I'm happy to help you. I'm happy to answer your questions. I'm Tim Carter, Master Plumber.